This Collate clue is going to teach you about the available connector agents in Collate. These powerful functions help to automate and simplify your work in Collate. We start from the database service page for a database, in this case a Redshift database, and click on Agents. The only agent created automatically is the metadata agent. When this first agent runs, it is going to bring in your metadata, hence the name. This can be fine-tuned to include or exclude more assets by editing the agent parameters from the three-dot menu. Typically, the lineage agent would follow the metadata agent. It reads the query logs and connection strings from the service to create lineage for your data sources. The usage agent will measure the popularity of various data assets by tracking queries and showing how often those assets are accessed. Next, the profiler agent is what brings in metrics about your tables. This would be information such as row counts, the uniqueness of column names or data, such as an ID or email field. This agent has a high degree of configurability. The auto classification agent is multifaceted. It is the only agent that brings in sample data, and it is disabled by default. When enabled, it can be configured to sample all your data, a number of rows, or a percentage of rows, which are randomly selected. Unless you have a small table, it is a good idea to limit the number of rows. Keep in mind that even a small percentage can be quite large if the source is huge. In addition, this agent, like its name, auto-classifies your data, meaning it takes the predefined system tags and auto-tags your columns based on what it thinks they are, such as an email or address column, for example. The agent reads, but does not retrieve or store the sample data to help make those decisions. The DBT agent only applies if you're using DBT and is obviously optional. It will bring in DBT manifest files associated with data assets to curate lineage, description, and other types of available metadata. There are several AI agents available as well. Let's take a look. When Collate AI is enabled, you will see status and agent schedule on this page. These agents are configured by selecting Settings on the lower left and then Applications. The first of these is the AI documentation agent. It is responsible for providing suggested descriptions for your tables and columns. The agent can also be configured to supply a description if none already exists in the table or column. Next is the AI quality agent, which creates data quality test cases. By examining your metadata, it will determine which foundational test cases to create. This is a great way to kick off your data quality journey in Collate if you don't already have one planned. Finally, there is the AI tier agent, which is responsible for tiering your database tables. This is the same as classifying them. It examines the queries, lineage, and other metadata components to gain insight into the importance of each table. Agents are the engine that power your environment in Collate. In this short video, we were able to walk through what each of them does and why you would use it. Visit our website and try it for yourself.